Yoga may seem intimidating, but it is a great way to exercise, even for absolute beginners. You can do yoga in your home with no equipment, or you can take a class to have access to mats, pillows, bricks, straps, and other helpful yoga tools. Start by getting into a comfortable seated position. Then, work on your yogic breathing and try some simple poses to begin practicing yoga. Getting comfortable for yoga. Choose a place to do yoga that is free from distractions. Yoga is best practiced somewhere that you will not be interrupted, such as in your bedroom or in your living room when no one else is home. However, you can do yoga outside if the weather is nice. Choose where you will practice yoga and remove as many distractions as possible. Turn off your phone, the TV, and any other distracting devices. Tell other members of your household that you will be doing some yoga and would like to be left alone for a little while. 2. Use a yoga mat, blankets, and pillows if desired. You do not absolutely need yoga equipment to do yoga, but it can be helpful for getting comfortable. Try sitting on a pillow or blanket so that your hips are slightly elevated above your knees while you are sitting cross-legged on the floor. If you plan to do some standing poses, then you may also benefit from using yoga blocks to modify the poses. These make bending poses easier because you will not have to reach all the way to the floor. You can also use a yoga strap, a towel, or a scarf to help you do poses that require you to grab your feet or legs. 3. Put on comfortable clothes to practice yoga. Make sure that the clothes you are wearing are comfortable and flexible. Put on a pair of yoga pants or sweatpants, with a loose-fitting t-shirt or tank top. You should be barefoot when practicing yoga to ensure that you can get good traction during standing poses, and to ensure maximum comfort. Remember that you do not need to purchase special clothes to do yoga. You can practice in some old sweatpants or even in your pajamas. 4. Get yourself a glass of water. As with any type of exercise, it is important to stay hydrated. Pour yourself a glass of water or fill a water bottle and keep it nearby while you are practicing. Take sips of water as needed during your workout. While you should drink water as needed during your yoga practice, it is best to do yoga on an empty stomach, so plan your practice for 2 to 3 hours after a meal. 5. Follow along with a video, book, or class for beginners. As you ease into your yoga practice, you might find it helpful to have some expert guidance. The experts who make videos, write books, and take classes can provide you with valuable information on how to develop your yoga practice as an absolute beginner.